So these are jar wicks, and I'm just gonna take one of these. You can find these at Hobby Lobby or Joann's or Michael's or anywhere, pretty much, Walmart. And here goes the glue gun. And what I do is I put a little bit of glue on the end of it. Just a little bit. Then I take my jar and I press firmly down in the center. And I let this sit here for a few minutes while I go check on my just in the center as best as you can. I go check on my candle wax that is slowly cooking on the stove. Okay, this is the candle wax, gel wax that I'm using, and that's the container that I will be putting it in the jar. And this right here, I already melted some of the wax. I just used the old pot that I no longer use anymore, and I'm gonna use it just for candle wax now, and well, for the gel wax. And I put a tint of blue color in it because I want it to be like a sea color, because I'm gonna put shells in the bottom of the glass. And I'm just stirring it around because you don't want it to burn. It is definitely cooked now. I'm gonna turn it down to even a lower temperature, and we're gonna check back on the candle. Well, actually, let's do this. So I have some seashells, and what it's gonna be is actually immersed in there. So I'm gonna put a few in there, but I want to wait until it's dry all the way. But that's just the idea. I'm gonna put a few in there, and then I'm gonna pour some wax, and then I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit, and I'm gonna pour some more so I can have some floating seashells in there. Okay, so now that the liquid has heated all the way through, I put some dye in it. I also put some so now this has dried. I went ahead and I put 2 seashells inside of it. I put liquid dye in it and some fragrance with plum orchid to flavor my candle wax. This is gel candle wax, so it's pretty much see-through if you do not put any coloring in it. But like I said, I wanted this one to be somewhat like the sea. So be careful with the pot because it's really hot. But I'm just gonna pour some in there. And then I'm gonna put the rest back on the stove. The reason why I'm pouring in stages is because I want to immerse some of the pieces of seashells in it so they can actually float a little bit. But that's what it looks like so far. So I'm gonna let this continue to keep warm on the stove, and then I'm gonna come back here in probably about 5 minutes, and then drop some more seashells in there, and then pour some more wax on top of it. Okay, so this is the candle that I just finished making. You can see seashells. I think the next time that I would do it, I would use lighter color seashells so you can see them a lot better, because the white ones show up a lot better than a darker one. But it smells really nice. And then this is one that I actually did yesterday, and it has marbles in it. And then there's some floating marbles. And okay, so bubbles. They all have bubbles when you make the gel candle wax. But I would, you can go ahead and put them in sunlight and it will get rid of some of the bubbles. So I'm actually about to sit both of these candles in the sunlight. They take typically between 8 and 12 hours to fully get in its form. And as you can see, this is a little bit longer, so what I'm going to do is just cut off the top about that much. Longer is always better because you can cut it off. If it was too short and my jar was too deep, then it would not work. But thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, share my video. I'm going to be doing a lot more of how-to projects because I'm very creative. So just stay tuned. Ciao.